Well, I think cooking has been always something I really was into. I think with the course here, I fulfill like my dream of someday like opening my own restaurant. I think the most eye-catching thing is the brand new kitchen. Get a taste of it, like I really want to be there trying, new things, things they teach in the classes. Well, I chose Melbourne. It's definitely a very multicultural. A lot of different cultures, like different restaurants I can go to, like to enrich my knowledge about their food and their cuisine.